I decided to get more accessories for my air fryer, so I bought a silicone liner and I can't wait to try it out. Hello fam, welcome to my space. Today I'll be making roasted groundnuts. I set my fire to 130 degrees at 8 minutes. It tastes so nice, and I love the fact that it's healthier and cheaper than buying it outside. I paired with my air-fried roasted plantain bolly. I made a video and I'll be dropping it soon. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.